So I've been watching some of these videos that show you how to change out your flasher module when you install LEDs in your turn signals, because you get the Hyperflash. Well, some of these videos kind of show you before and then after, but not really how to do it. The step-by-step, kind of all the way through to changing the module. So I'm going to show you how to do it here. I've taken off this panel before, obviously to run my strobe lights and other things I've put in. So basically what you have to do is turn the key on, and this is to get the panel off, which is the first step. Put your gear shift all the way in the 1 position, and then you lower your steering wheel as low as possible. I'm going to shut this door because it makes a lot of noise. Okay. And then all these dudes, they have clips all the way around here. So you can start anywhere, and you start pulling. Go around easily. And I typically end up turning my hazards on just the way it comes out. But clips here, and you should just be able to pull straight back. Usually this piece up here gets stuck there, so just make sure that comes down easily, and then you pull it out. Now I do have a switch here from a horn. I had to unplug there, so I have a train horn in there. But anyways, on the back of here, these clips, make sure you line them up when you go back through and put this in. So put that right there. Now what you have to do, you have to take up this panel right here. The panel right here needs to come off. It's got 2 clips up here, but it's also got 2 7mm bolts on either side. So I'm going to take those off real quick. Obviously I have to remove this, which is part of my other stuff I run in here as well. So hang on and let me get the wrench. So as you can see, everything's off here. And the flasher module is, let's see, right here. To the left of the steering column. I'll zoom out a little bit so you can see. Anyways, so you can see that's the flasher module right there. Oops. Can't get a good angle on it, but it's right there. And let me get the other one and we'll swap them out. I ordered the part off of Amazon, and this truck calls for the LM487 right here. The LM487, I have the link in the description of this. You just click on it and order it. I'm pretty sure that these replace the Chevys and other models year 2000 to 2006, I believe. Do not hold that to me. So as you can see, this will go right here, keeping it the same direction. So let's try to get the old one off and then put the new one in. All right. Looks like I just had to rock it a few times to get it out. Pulling up. So this is the back of the old one. Oops. And it was in like this. So when you put it in the other one, obviously make sure they're going in the same way. So let's put this one back in. Make sure it's firmly in there. Alrighty, now we take it for a test spin. Make sure it works. As you remember earlier video, it was hyperflashing. Let's see what it does now. Oh, a lot better. Let's see what the outside looks like. Those are both LEDs. The side and the turn. Also the running light. You see it also, oops, right there. A lot better than the Hyperflash. And then all you have to do is reverse it and put it back in the way you took it back out by putting it back in there. Put it back, line up. If you have trouble getting this piece in, don't force it. Push it down just a little bit until it clears. And then you make sure that all of your clips are lined up properly. And see, I put the hazards on. So that's how you put it back on. Go from there. Well, this is Chris with 360 Tech Advisors. Not only do we show you tech tips on cars, but also on computers and other electronics. Thanks for watching.